Minister of Education Dr. Ali Al-Mudaf affirmed the resumption of regular study at schools starting from September based on a well-studied plan for the safety of students and all grades.
In a TV interview, the safe return to schools, including the vaccination campaigns carried out by the Ministry of Health for all students and staff of the Ministry of Education. Huda Ma'rafi has the details in the following report.
The Minister of Education, Dr. Ali Al-Mudaf, said in an interview on KTV last night that the Ministry of Education, along with the Ministry of Health, will hold paper tests for students in grade 12, expressing the hope that the conditions will be helpful in achieving a safe return to study, as well as the vaccination campaigns carried out by the Ministry of Health for students and all Ministry of Education employees. The minister stressed that students' health is a top priority and that no risks will be taken, adding that the Ministry of Education is making every effort for a safe return to traditional schooling. Regarding the development plan in the Ministry of Education, Minister Al-Mudaf said that the period in which the ministerial portfolio was handed over is approximately 4 months, noting that it is a short period in terms of the length of work, but the plan was launched and working committees of specialists from outside the ministry were made available to evaluate the educational situation in the state of Kuwait. This is Huda Ma'rafi for KTV2 News.
The Ministry of Health announced that 1,414 patients of the novel coronavirus have recovered, bringing the total number of those who overcame the disease to 245,824. The ministry registered 1,459 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 262,766. Health Ministry spokesperson Dr. Abdullah Sanad said the ministry reported 11 deaths, raising the death toll to 1,493. Dr. Sanad pointed out that a sum of 229 patients were sent to intensive care units, with the number of patients receiving healthcare increasing to 15,449. He added that the medical teams carried out 9,995 COVID-19 swab tests over the last 24 hours, bringing the total count of tests to 2,256,129 since the outbreak of the virus in the country.